make sure that if you are losing too much weight or you're trying to gain weight, or let's say that you're over the age of definitely 55, 60, you want to be making sure that you're getting about half your body weight in grams of protein per day. 160-pound person, you're taking in about 80 grams of protein. That hopefully means that you're working out 2-3 times a week as well with weights to be able to keep that muscle mass on. Between the age of about 25 and 55 or so, the typical recommendation is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. So again, it goes a little bit below that. If you're more active, you can certainly take in more protein. Now, if you are looking to put on size, put on muscle, or you're hypocaloric, which means your calories are less than your energy demands for the day, well, then you can take in more protein. The reason is that you're naturally catabolic. You're taking in less than your body needs to build up. So you can actually take in more protein, and then it's less detrimental for the overall health. Doesn't mean go overboard, but it certainly means that you can do that. And that's why when people are dieting, losing weight, that's what they're trying to do, or lose body fat, they can actually take in a little bit more protein without the detrimental effects. Why? Because their body's in more of a catabolic state. Protein, especially branched chain amino acids, puts you more in an anabolic state. Again, an anabolic state is going to allow you to put on more muscle mass or not lose as much muscle mass, and that's a good thing, right? But it can be taken overboard. That is why I share with you research that shows, again, above 19% of your total macros per day, if it is protein, especially if it's meat-based, you just have more of a chance for cancer. That's what the science says. I believe the science because it makes sense. If you're putting in more branched chain amino acids, especially from red meat, what does it do? Well, it makes your body more anabolic. If your body's more anabolic, what happens? Well, you typically have higher levels of IGF-1. You might have higher levels of other growth factors as well. What happens when you have other growth factors that are higher in the body? Well, your body's growing, but so can also cancerous-based cells. Again, that's why I want to share this with you, because there are two sides to every story. One side isn't always right, neither is the other side. I like to bring you both sides and allow you to figure out what's best for you based on your bio-individuality.